This is the Floating Fastener Calculator for GD&T Position, which calculates the position tolerance for floating fastener assemblies. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have Hole Diameter HMMC, where you enter the hole diameter at maximum material condition. Below that is Fastener Diameter FMMC, where you enter the fastener diameter at maximum material condition. These are the only two inputs needed for this calculation. For our example, let's enter a hole diameter of 10.5 millimeters and a fastener diameter of 10 millimeters. After clicking Calculate Position Tolerance, the calculator determines the allowable position tolerance for your floating fastener assembly. This output represents the maximum positional deviation that can be tolerated while still ensuring proper assembly of the fasteners through the holes. The calculated tolerance takes into account the clearance between the hole and fastener at their maximum material conditions, dividing this clearance appropriately for floating fastener applications. This value is critical for establishing geometric tolerancing requirements on your engineering drawings. Ready to calculate position tolerances for your floating fastener designs? Find the link in the description below.